what are we doing today, G?
As you can see, we got a pizza box.
Oi, NRG, quick release as well.
Yeah.
So,
you know what we're doing?
You already know. So boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys saw just then, Man brought in his S14, more S14 content for you S chassis boys, and he also brought in his quick release. You know, he's gonna be running the, is it personal steering wheel?
Personal, you know, Rick recommended that.
Yeah.
I like the feel of it.
Yeah, so like it's gonna be exactly the same setup I had on S2K. You know, he tried to be like daddy here.
Yeah,
you know?
same color.
Look, same color as well, bro. This guy, bro, what are you trying to do, bro? Just
yeah.
Yeah, so the reason why mine is changing it is because, check this out. This is the stock S14 steering wheel. And look at this, it's all like, I don't know what you even call this, bro. Like sun fade, like all the leather is like coming off and shit. Yeah.
I bought the steering wheel and all that before I even got the car. Because like, I was like, if I buy S14 parts, I have to get the S14.
Oh, you smart, bro. Smart investment. And look at this shit. He actually got that whatever boot, what is it? Boot retainer?
Oh yeah, because my boot kept popping out.
Yeah.
I fucked it up, like not
yeah.
I fucked up because took the trim off so many times.
Yeah. So yeah, so also he got a quick release as well. So he can quickly release his steering wheel.
And put on the dash like me.
Yeah, and he can flex to all the boys, yeah?
I gotta cover my cracked dash with the steering wheel.
Yeah. But your ass is cracked.
My seat's cracked, but just wait, new seat's coming.
Oh, stop, bro. This guy's actually boiler ass, bro. Damn.
New seat's coming, stay tuned. It's not real, but yeah.
Oi, here it is.
Fake as SR20.
Yeah, fake as SR20. Shit. So it's actually a, what's it? YG400 with a SR head on it or top. But here it is. Damn.
Should we just do a walk around video right now?
Yeah.
Right, so, this is my Oz delivered S14 200SX fake Silvia. Yeah. It is stock. Slightly upgraded turbo. You can't see it. I think it was like a 2871R. Blocked off internal wastegate and got an external one, as you can see right there.
Oh.
And not circulated. We go straight to screamer pipe. Lobster weld intake for the.
Oi, Yandori, shout out to Yandori. Oi.
I got this just to cover up to make it look more stock. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks stock. Yeah, totally. Yeah, look, yeah, it totally looks stock, bro.
And all these other wires and shit. I don't know. Let's see. Interior up with a 7-inch dildo.
I like.
Don't mind everything else. Like boost controller, gauges, etc.
White wheels.
White wheels. Yep. These are actually Beans hand-me-downs. Or Jazz to Beans to me hand-me-downs.
Damn, must be nice having the same stud pattern.
Because I bought the car without wheels.
Wait, so how'd you get it here?
I took Beans other wheels.
Oh, this guy, bro.
So, I won't say the price I got it for, but just know I bought it. Probably at the time cheapest S14.
Yeah, cheap.
I say in Melbourne. I didn't even intend on buying the car, but he threw me an offer I couldn't turn down. Shout out to you know who? Glenny Kebab, this guy.
Glenny, yeah?
I won't say his name.
See, but this must be nice.
But yeah, this is the Glenny Kebab's S14.
Shit, hey, what exhaust?
I think it's a 3.5-inch custom.
Look how fat that is.
Yeah, custom fucking turbo back, cat back, whatever.
And now we're about to add the quick release. Let's go. Alright, so just like any other quick release and steering wheel install, basically you just got to take off the wheels and put in the new one. And you know, it's usually just, you know, like a few screws, take off the airbag and then get the main bolt out and then you can take the wheel off.
We don't have this screw though.
But this one's a special T screw with the security in the middle. But you know, we don't have that, so we're trying a flathead.
No, it just rounds it.
No, I guess we're headed to super cheap, yeah? Or nah. I mean, we don't have to do the steering wheel, but we want it, so I guess we have to. And I bet you it's gonna be like 10 bucks for one, just for one. Unless you buy a set. Alright, so we have to go to Super Cheap to get the special tool, and guess what the Uber pulled up in? Because we unplugged the battery so we can't drive, so we called an Uber. And look at the Uber. Wow. Hey, is this Uber for ZPG? Yeah. Thanks. Super cheap. Super cheap. Yeah. Look at how sick ass Uber boys and girls. Check that out. Wow, that's actually sicky Uber stats. Hey. You been busy today?
Nah.
Oh.
A lot of customers?
Yeah. This is the sickiest Uber driver out here right now. Fuck yeah, it feels good to be back at O'Reilly's. Yeah. Oh, a long time. O'Reilly's. Ah. Hey, Uber, 5-star, thanks man. Oi. Oi, that's a clean Lancer, man. How you fit the stock Evo body kit?
I don't know.
Oi man, so what you cop? What you cop?
So we cop a whole pack for just under 30 bucks. Just for the one T50.
No, but it is what it is, yeah? Oh yeah, you want your steering done, you gotta do what you gotta do.
You can never have enough tools.
Yeah, facts. Oi, facts. Oh yeah, the boys, this is the best Uber ever, Macca's. Damn. Yeah. Damn. Free of charge as well. Man, this is the best Uber ever. Fixing _ V8. Oh yeah, while we're waiting for our meal, I forgot to say, Type S Chim on Insta is no longer Type S Chim. What is it? S15. It's actually flexing _ VIII. Hey, what's VIII?
Just the letters.
Oh yeah, you felt bored or something, eh?
Yeah, it's aesthetically pleasing.
Not bad. Yeah. McDonald's. Oh yeah. Oh, got the good.
You got the wrong one up.
Yeah. There's no fucking salt on it though. But I'm salty enough anyways.
We got 4 Cokes instead of 4 Sprites.
Oh yeah, we ordered 4 Sprites. No. Far dream driveway, yeah? Got my daily, Hacks Lancer, Manhs S14, and my S2K.
No, mine's just a Corolla Camry.
Oh yeah, same as that one, yeah? But the coupe version.
Yeah.
The coupe version. And we got the Macca's here. Yeah, not bad. And we also ordered pizza right here. The personal pizza. Ooh, look. Award-winning pizza from 1989 all the way to 1997. Alright guys, ruin your jaw video right here. Got the Big Mac down. Look at that, what happened here? No sesame seed. I don't know what happened. Damn. Got the 4 drinks. And we also got the chicken and cheese. Not bad, yeah? Wow, let's dig in, yeah? Yeah. For once, bro, I'm gonna take a break. It's so hot today. I'll take a break today. And we let Mun do it because I'm hella hungry, bro. But hey, CG matchy again.
Where the fuck's the 20? It goes 19 to 21.
Yeah.
21.
Yeah, 21.
Whoa, long time. Long time, bro. Oh, heck, long time. Fuck, guys, if this isn't driveway gold, oh no, it's not wood. Whack. Hey, you're dropping fucking shit everywhere, bro. Oh, nasty.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Sika's Evo. I can't see, but yeah. Sika's. Alright, so we already took the airbag out. We're not gonna get step by step. Because, yeah, Rick's already done this on his car. For S14, done other S chassis. This one is a T50 with a security nipple. Took that off on the side here. Yeah, comes through there, locks there. Can't see, but yeah. And then we take this one off. And plug and play. Plug and play.
Oh. Wow.
I said the recording. I thought you were wearing pants. Oh, your socks getting dirty. Huh? I say your socks getting dirty and he pulls it up.
Alright, so like, what are you even doing, man? Like, I don't remember mine being this complicated.
I don't know, just fucking strip everything and...
Yeah, like, is this like the JDM records now? Or like you doing your quick release?
Pick and pull now, yeah?
Pick and pull, huh? Damn.
Pull your foreskin.
Wait, why is it all of our our fucking likewise shifters never line up straight? It's like we don't know how to install it. No, don't lie. Don't lie, G, don't lie. It's not very straight, G.
That's because it's in reverse.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not, look.
Yeah, I'll show you.
It shimmy. Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, no,
It's
'cause,
crooked.
when I was like, I hit boost, and I actually like, I turned it.
Oh.
Yeah, because the boost was too hard. And,
So he's telling me it was straight.
yeah, it was straight
But
before.
now it's not.
Like when I bought the car, it was straight. But then once I got into the car, it's not straight anymore.
2-man job.
Wait, how do I know it was tight enough, Rick?
Just, I reckon, like, normal thing, you know, like.
I don't want to round it.
Oh, we talk when it rounds. Oh, so what are you holding? What are you holding?
Oh shit!
Oh.
BBC.
What? Why do you even have that, man?
Yeah, bro.
Huh?
You don't even need to use it. You can use it for whacking people, bro.
Yeah, fuck, this guy with a deadly weapon, yeah? Just because you got a big tattoo now. Fuck. Shit, look at this. Cinematic.
Nah, wait. You want me to rub it off? I can rub it off.
Yeah, rub it up, bro. So if you, yeah,
I'm
so one you get from the bubble gum, yeah?
I'm nothing without my tattoo, bro.
Damn, sicky, bro. So like, how many bubble gums did you eat to get your whole form?
That's a lot, bro. Look.
Yeah.
I had to buy like the whole fucking box, bro.
No, that's like your jawline good, yeah? She orders bubble gum, you know?
I wish it was like more,
mama. So yeah, guys. So, you know, man, he tried to put this big ass slap sticker to cover the clear coat damage, and look at this cooked cunt, yeah? He put it in the wrong spot. Look, he missed it. I don't know if you guys can see it. How? Hey, you packing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you packing big? Oh, you packing
Yeah,
big?
I'm packing my torch.
Oh, damn.
night, yeah.
I thought it was something else, bro.
Can you do me a favor, G?
No.
Can you connect this to the steering wheel for me? It's over there.
Why?
What you mean?
Yeah, what you mean? G? What that boy is doing? Yeah, so how does it?
Don't explode on me.
Are you sure it works?
Wait.
Man, like this. That's the wrong wheel. Yeah. So how's your day going?
Fucking alright, mate.
Yeah? It's actually hot as in here, yeah?
mate.
Shit, this is actually barbecue, brother. Who wants to
What you trying
barbecue?
to say,
You want
mate?
barbecue?
Yeah.
Yeah, is the camera even on me?
Not really.
Oh, that's alright. Yeah. But you want barbecue?
Yeah.
We're the peeking. Got all the cars at the front. Imagine
Yeah, I
Chacha
wouldn't
running
mind
as well.
some glizzies right now.
Huh? What?
Yo, aren't you a glizzy gobbler?
What's a glizzy gobbler? Yeah, remember truth. Click it in. You know you're a sick cunt now, yeah?
Ready?
Yeah, go do it.
Oh.
How satisfying is that click, yeah? Damn. Oh, you turn it? Like, does it feel like it's gonna come off? I don't know if I tighten it.
I can't tell, but
Yeah, you know what I mean? Alright guys, we just finished installing everything, or they did. I did nothing all day. But have a sus. Or something's here. Oh, STK's here. Oh, whose STK is this? Not bad. So you got a new car? Huh? Yeah. Did you get STK?
yeah, I want to be like the boss.
Not bad, huh?
Oh, check out the wing.
Wow. Beans with a STK. So you sold your Liberty? Wow, this guy buying cars left, right and center. Crazy. Wow. Not bad.
Even white body.
Oh yeah, you want to put some TEs on it?
You wanna?
Nah. But hey, say another STK. Not bad. So what are you doing, Us?
So I'm filing the horn so it can fit in the quick release.
Why?
Because it doesn't fit.
Oh, so
Oh shit, I found the fucking...
yeah, so this is the same problem I had with my one. So if you guys remember, when you put the quick release, this horn is too big and it doesn't actually sit inside the steering wheel. The horn goes there, but that is too big, it doesn't fit, so mine had to file it in. And if you remember my one, I never filed it, I couldn't be fucked, so I was like, fuck it, and we'll just put it in.
Fuck.
But this one, he actually did it.
File too much.
Or file too much?
You got double side tape?
Not here though.
I'll plug this in.
No.
Just for shits and gigs.
Hey, but at least it fits in now. My one didn't even go in.
Sad, yeah.
But say G actually got S2K. Fine, let's go look at it again.
Oh, it fits! Fucking sick!
Fucking sicky.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Good job, that's all you, man.
Come on.
Hey, no, alright, let's go. Mate. Oh! Check out this BMW Z4. Not bad. Pretty good. Oh, you like the roof down life, yeah? You like the roof down life?
This is my daily.
Yeah. Not bad. So yeah, Beans. You got big plans for it?
Nah, not really.
Not really? What's done to it? I can see rims.
Rims, coils, aftermarket, carbon fiber, spoiler, front.
Yo, you look sicky. Front lip.
Yeah.
Not bad, huh? He makes me miss my S2K. Should have never sold it, yeah? Should have never sold it. But yeah. But which one's better, my one or this one?
This one.
Oh, real one. He's the real one. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro.
I said yours.
Oh, thanks, man.
This one.
Thanks, man. But she say carbon fiber, huh?
Yeah. I like this because it kind of like caves in as well.
Yeah. You want to buy any parts? I know a guy selling.
Who?
Oh, yeah. Slide in my DMs. Wow. Wow, Johnny Tran, is that you? Johnny Tran.
Toronto! Toronto! SWAT came into my house, disrespected my whole family because somebody knocked me out. And you know what? It was you!
Too soon, Junior. Whoa.
Go get my Jetta.
Oh yeah, let's go. Let's remake that scene, bro. Hey G, we're going for a mini cruise. So as you guys can see, we've got Hank's Lancer, Manhs S14, and Beans STK. Yeah, he's laughing because I keep calling this a Lancer. Bro, like
He's sad guy, bro. Fuck.
bro, he's so keen to make it Evo. He even bought Evo 8 Recaros. Look at this. Not bad. Wow. Damn. DJ? I think he's asleep.
I'll call him when he's.
Yeah, you call him. Wake him up. Oi, wake his ass up.
Yo, miss me.
This big dick guy gotta get the biggest one here.
Oi, all these drinks and you're still thirsty. Oi. So we put this in our S2K, yeah? Put in your Evo, it goes harder.
Coolant, yeah?
Coolant, yeah.
You know why I got purple?
Why?
Coolant.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't coolant green?
Yeah, it is.
Coolant's blue. Purple.
Yeah, so we're just currently waiting for the rest of the boys. Yeah, so I don't know how this video is going. Once again, I've said this like 100 times. I think it's choppy, you know, but roll in your jaw. Or should we do a shoey?
Nah, you should do a exhausty. You see the video I sent you?
Oh yeah, I saw that. That's nasty, bro.
No.
Oh, you did send me video, man.
He bought him new kicks and pants and he still wear these, bro.
What the fuck?
Delay told me.
Are you sure it fits?
Yeah.
Why you not wearing
DJ said no sports in them.
Huh?
Fair enough,
Track
man.
pants and runners.
But there's too fresh, bro. Japanese. What is it? MDF.
NMDs?
That's the dangerous.
Oh yeah, that's that. Oh, Anton, shout out Anton. You see this video? You see come on.
Oi, who's this? Oi, who's this G? Say G, you're a Rexy boy now, huh? Yeah? Wow, not bad.
You gotta keep it with the Timorese tradition, bro.
Yeah, all the Timorese love the Subies, yeah?
Where's my ZPG badge, bro?
Oh, the banner? Must be nice having a blob eye. Oi.
Sounds good, man.
Yeah? You got exhaust system on too?
Yeah, fucking X-Force, bro.
Not bad. Well, I can see you need some work, lower it, and it should be good, yeah?
Maybe diffusers, bro.
Diffuser as well? Wow. Yeah, so for those who don't know, you know, Anooks or Evans actually bought a new Rexy right here. He bought it a while ago, but this is the first time I've actually seen it in person and the first time they actually bought it out. But here it is. Damn. Fast. So we got Anooks Rexy, Manhs S14, Hank's Lancer, and Beans MX5. Yeah?
That's an MX6.
Oh, MX6?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I reckon.
Yeah, you should have bought that black rose one for sale.
Yeah?
You had T's on it or something?
Legit.
You had Ace in front bar.
I missed out.
Yeah.
Might have to swap now.
I think he sold it for dirt cheap too.
Yeah.
7.5k, I think.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Wait. 7.5k. You should have bought it. How much you get this one for?
13.
13. Yeah.
Wait, you-
Wait, so what are you doing?
Oh, G, so like quick
Bro, this is more dodgy than fucking zip ties.
So,
zip tie, yeah? Because zip tie doesn't hold shit, bro.
That's not gonna.
so you're telling me your lip was falling off, so you tied it with some painter's
You
tape?
use painter's
Wait,
tape.
wait,
very strong.
guys, watch out. You know this guy? This guy's gonna drive like 220 on the freeway. The lip's gone.
The lip's gone. Wait, no one goes 220.
Only Vesna does.
Yeah, what the hell? Wait, does it work good with the painter's tape?
Yeah, bro. Look
Oh,
at
that's
that
better
strong,
than cable ties, bro. What the hell?
I might have to hold everything with it.
That's actually sick.
But back then I had double-sided tape holding my wing down before.
Yeah? That's why it's not on anymore, yeah? Look at his boot space.
Fucking what boot space?
Yeah. This guy's got his, what's this, diffuser or whatever. Got his stock exhaust. Got his jack stands. He's even got masking tape as well. So I guess the masking tape wasn't as good as painter's tape.
Bro, you know what you do? Like, look at this fun trick, yeah? See, if the rim's scratch, yeah, just come here. Just scratch right here.
Yeah.
This is working. Just, yeah, just fix all
Wait.
that. All good.
What the?
What is that, spray paint?
Yeah, black spray paint.
Wait, what the? Like, I didn't know that as well. So if you got a rash, I guess that's what you do if you got a rash.
Hey, this guy's. Oh, it started seasonal prep. No,
Damn! They can't even tell it was there anymore. Yeah. Bro, that's actually A1 fix, man. A1. Wait, Beans, why is your cousin flexing like this for? Yeah, but wait, like if someone steals a car, they can just
Yeah.
take the wheel and put it back in anyways.
Yeah, he's always complaining that, oh, I need the quick release because someone's gonna steal it. Leaves it on the.
Man, come on, man. What are you doing, man?
He's asking.
Oh, your logic's not there, man.
asking for it.
Yeah, you're asking for it. Like, they steal your car and they're just gonna plug it straight in, bro. You're asking for a G.
No, I reckon he doesn't have a plastic bag because he wants to keep.
Oh, he should have bought it out in a JDM bag or something, yeah? But yeah, damn. Say G more S chassis content. Yeah? Or nah, who wants Rexy content? Fake Rexy, yeah? Who wants fake Rexy content? Or fake taxi?
Fake taxi.
Yeah, you know that? Yeah? Yeah.
What is up, guys? These guys are, yeah, I don't know them. A bunch of fucking drongos. So here we're at Culture Commons. Got our chow chow. What'd you get, Rick? What'd you get, boss?
I got the creme brulee
Yeah?
with the black pearls.
What's that? Fuck, that was faster than hacks. What's up, guys? Just finished eating. If you don't do this, like, yeah, if you don't do this, you weren't raised right.
Hey,
Ain't that right, boys?
speaking facts.
Hey, they were raised right.
Boo, what is up, guys? I'm over here with Beans. Beans, how was the burger, brother?
That was alright.
Did you finish it? You didn't finish it.
I smell beach.
Oi, what? Man. Wait, where's my car, G?
Called you.
Yeah, I got the new Accord Euro, let's go. Alright, later Johnny Tran. Later G. Bro, can y'all shut the fuck up? Your car's too loud. Oh, G, yeah. Wow! Fast and Furious, boys!
Oh, nah, I'm high ass.
What the like? Oi.
control.
Oh shit! What are you doing, brother? What the hell? Oh, it is beans. Can't fuck. Alright guys, so new day today, another rule in your jaw. We're just gonna continue on. What the hell? So yeah, so today we're gonna be doing an oil change on a Nooks WRX, you know? Like, I know it's not a WRX, but we call it a WRX. There it is. Not bad. Not bad, yeah? So yeah, we're gonna be doing an oil change on this today. So let's move the car up. Yeah, so like I said, you know, weather's peaking. It's gonna be a hella raw in your jaw video today. But the car's dead, the STK is dead, so we've got to jump start it, yeah? But look at this, what the hell? Neglected, yeah? So we're gonna... Holy shit, it's hot in here. Ready? What the fuck, you guys hear it already? It's like fucking like a gun, bro. Oh, Johnny Tran, what happened to your black S2K?
Oh, wrapped it.
Oh, you wrapped it to black rose now, yeah? Oh, what, another one? What the hell? Turn that shit on? Yeah, now we start the car.
When do you even put your exhaust back on?
I don't know. Oh, I haven't actually gone roof down in ages.
Last house,
Bro,
that was in Christmas 2 years ago.
Hey, shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. But fuck. But who actually missed this STK being on the road? Because I do, but yeah, we don't want another canary, yeah? Pussy. Pussy. Oh, yeah. Please don't fuck the rims. Please don't fuck the rims, please. Wow, mate. Actually looks sick. Must be nice. Watch out, it's gonna be hot. Oh yeah. Yeah, yo, you funny guy. Oi. Look at this guy, oil changing skills, mate. Look at this guy, fucking. Oh shit.
Apprenticeship shit.
Look at this apprenticeship guy. Zell, who's STK? Wait, what? Whose Lancer is this? This guy, are you going beach or something?
Yeah, man.
Oi. Good. Alright guys, so another scene right here. You know, another raw in your jaw. So right now what we're doing is going cruising with the boys. So, you know, I could have actually made a new vlog, but I thought fuck it, let's chuck this video into, you know, whatever we had yesterday as well. So it's gonna be a big fat raw in your jaw video. So as you guys can see, Hank's ready for his like beach vibe or some shit. So yeah, so right now we're just gonna go fuel up, and then after we fuel up we're gonna meet up with Hayden. And then yeah, I don't know what car he's bringing, because you guys already know if you follow him on Instagram, he's got like 4 cars, so whatever he brings, he brings. But right now we've got the Evo, I think a Nooks Rexy, Manhs S14, and yeah. But yeah, for now, like I said, we're gonna go pump some E10 premium petrol. He used to run LPG gas, but now E10. Oh yeah, any of you guys ever pump at Collis Express? Or are you guys more like a BP, 7-Eleven? You know, Collis pretty expensive, but it's probably pretty good, eh? Look at this guy. Look at this guy, what are you doing, mate? Why are you walking like he's big for?
What are you looking at?
Why are you walking like you're big for?
What do you mean?
Huh?
Nah, it's just the weather.
Oi, get off! What?
Get off! I got to reverse.
Oh, what the hell, man? That's shit as fuck. Oi, cuz, is this the ejector seat?
Yeah, mate, you want to try it out?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Press it.
Mighty go! Ejectocito, cuz!
Alright guys, new day today, just before we end the vlog. We just finished installing Man's quick release. Oh, how is it, man?
Damn, pretty fucking sick.
Yeah?
Right?
Oh yeah, show us.
I bought it, I gotta use it, you know?
Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what? I actually didn't even know you could do that. Remember my one, how I went ka-ching? This guy did like a full 360.
Yeah, Rick just, you know, he's not flashy enough, he just goes, alright, let's go. It's different, you go.
Wow, that's actually sick. So is it lit or not?
Right here.
Is it lit or not?
Oh, it's pretty lit, yeah. By the way, shout out Beans, shout out Random Archives.
Oh, you installed it?
Yeah, you know, it took like 2 hours to install.
Not plug and play, huh?
Oh, not 2 hours, it took me like 5 months before I put it in.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this raw in your jaw vlog. If you did, make sure to give this video a fat like PHAT. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. That is.